Here is step by step how to make smooth zoom in DaVinci Resolve. Alright, let's jump into it. So first of all, add here your video, click on Finder, and then find here your video file. Now I'm gonna click on it and drag on timeline. And then click on Effects button at the top left corner. In the pop-up window, you can click on Adjustment Clip and drag on timeline. Transform it, and then do right-click on the Adjustment Clip. In the drop-down menu, we can click on Open in Fusion Page. Then you can click Shift plus Spacebar, and then type here Transform. Click on Add button, and then you can move it here. In the right side you can see Controls and Settings. First of all, click on Settings button, and then choose here Motion checkbox. And here you can settings quality. For example, I prefer using 5. Now I'm gonna return to Controls, and then click on this point and this point. After that, skip 10 frames. Adjust size and center X and center Y. If your video is lagging, I advise you watch this video. Now I'm gonna wait in 5 seconds, click on pause, and again click on this point and that. And now I'm gonna skip 10 frames again, clear all, and type 0.5. Tap enter, and here again 0.5. And also you can click on Spline button at the top right corner, and then click on this checkbox. And now I'm gonna click on this box. And once you're here, you can adjust this window and use 2 frame and click S button again, and again. That's it. I hope it helps. You can watch this new video or this video about DaVinci Resolve.